Okay, so we're changing the headlight. One of the headlights is out, the high beams. And believe it or not, this is what you got to do. So we disconnected the grill. We can go ahead and pull it out. There's like some bolts on top, and there's 5 clips on the bottom. But in order to get to this headlight, believe it or not, and then there's 4 bolts. I'll show you those. And you got to pull the headlight out, unscrew it from the back, replace the bulb, put it back in, and put everything back. Not as bad as it looks, but they don't make it easy. Okay, so anyway, we got this unbolted, and you just pull it out. You unscrew this, like a 1/4 turn, and there's your bulb. And we did in fact find that it was a bad bulb. We already replaced it. The old bulb's right here. The high beam's not working on it. When you turn the high beam on, you just get nothing over there, so it goes from low beam to off. But anyway, that's it, and then we'll just put it all back together. Okay, that's it on that. Headlight fixed.